Hey everyone, got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the DIALN X62. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you don't know what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete everything off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted, so just keep that in mind. If you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. We appreciate it. Otherwise, let's jump right into this. First thing you want to do is make sure the phone's off. And in this case it is. You can either pull the battery or just use the power button and turn it off. But we have the volume up there, volume down, and power key. And what we want to do is we want to hold the volume up. So I'm going to press volume up first and then hit power. And that gets us right into our bootloader. From here we want to use volume up to navigate, and we want the arrow to point under recovery. And so hit the volume up to get it to recovery, and then the volume down to select it. That portion can sometimes, the way they write that, it's kind of backwards. It almost sounds confusing as can be. But that gets us to our Android recovery. From here we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. There it is. Hit the power button. Yeah, hit the power button. Sorry, I'm losing it today. Scroll down to factory reset, hit the power button. The spacing on these buttons is a little off. All right, it's already done. That was that fast. It's already deleted. From here, we can either reboot or power off, and in this case, I'm just going to power it off. But if you reboot it, it just loads to the welcome screen, and you can set it up how it was when it was new. But that is how we do a hard reset on the DIALN X62. Hopefully, you guys found that helpful. If you did, if you could like, share, subscribe, comment, all that wonderful stuff, we'd definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.